This is how you record a call on your iPhone. And by the way, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe. So I'll show you exactly how to record a call on your iPhone without installing any other application. So firstly, you have to go to settings. Then under settings, go to apps. This is on iOS 26. If you're on older versions, then you just see a list of apps there. Then you search for phone. Then you search for this option, audio call recording on. So you can toggle it if it's off to on. So it will actually tell you here, this allows you or you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call, then save to the notes app. So that's where those are saved. So I'll go back here, go back to the phone. Then once I do this and call, so the moment I call here, if I say accept, one thing you see here is you click on more. You see that option call recording. Click on it. It will then tell you this call will be recorded and it will start recording like this. So once I finish the call, you can go to the notes app and it will show you that call. You can actually play it and it will record the call just as you were saying it. So under the notes app, you see these folders. Of course, these are my folders. However, for your call recordings, you see that call recordings folder there. And under there, you see a list of options as well. So you see a list of recorded calls. So simple enough, this is how you can record calls on your iPhone.